welcome back to How to Fertilize Your Budget. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to make your own dishwasher soap. Um, as you can see on the left side of the screen, I have a video there. I have that video paused. It didn't come out as good a quality as I was hoping it would. So rather than playing the video, I'm just going to talk to you about how I make my dishwasher soap. I used to buy dishwasher soap, but I didn't get the quality that I wanted out of it. And they changed the brand that I used, and I just didn't care for it anymore. So I tried several brands, and I finally came around to maybe I'll just make my own. And so as you can see over here on the screen, I have a box of borax, a box of Arm & Hammer laundry washing soda, and a box of kosher salt. And I don't know how to get that to go away. Come on, go back to it. Okay. And a box of kosher salt. And it's really pretty easy. I put 1 cup of the Arm & Hammer washing soda, 1 cup of borax, and a half a cup of kosher coarse salt into this. I just have a container here that I pour it into, and I mix it up real good, and then I put about a tablespoon into the dishwasher, into the slot there that's designed for dish soap, and it does a really good job of cleaning, and it's cheap and easy and very effective. So there's your little tutorial today. I hope this helps. As always, if you enjoy the videos, subscribe to the page. Come back, see what else we have. Don't forget to check out my book on Amazon. Here's the book on Amazon, and thanks for listening. My name is Tammy Fraunfelter, and I hope to see you again. Oh, and don't forget you can email me at learntodosurveys@gmail.com.